How to integrate your Facebook and Google accounts in Maybe. Our platform provides secure integrations with popular platforms like Google, Facebook, Instagram, and Stripe, allowing you to reach more users and expand the possibilities of your business. To get your platforms connected, select Settings. Then, select Integrations. In this example, we are going to connect a Google account, Google My Business profile, Facebook, and Instagram business pages. By integrating Facebook, Instagram, and Google My Business, you will be able to quickly respond to messages from the Conversations feature within Maybe Desktop and the Maybe mobile app. You need to connect your Google account first. You will need to sign into your Google account. Then grant the necessary permissions by clicking on the Allow button. Now select the page you want to integrate. Once you are ready, select Connect. Now that you have connected your Google account, you can select your Google Analytics account to connect to Maybe. Your Google My Business page will now be connected too. Now let's connect the Facebook and Instagram pages. Enter your Facebook login. This will be your login for your personal profile. Don't worry, we are not connecting your personal profile. This is because your personal profile owns the business page. Now select the Facebook page you want to integrate. If you manage more than one business page, you will see all the pages here, so you will need to ensure you select the right page. Once you have selected the Facebook page, it will find the Instagram account associated with the page. Now, select Connect Facebook and Instagram. Next, select the Add account that is connected with the Facebook page. Now that you have connected your Google My Business, Facebook, and Instagram pages, messages sent to you in those platforms will appear in your Conversations feature within Maybe, ready for you to respond to. Anyone who messages you via those platforms will now be added to your contacts within your Maybe account.